what is the Binance Reward Center and why you should check it at least once a week. So we're gonna just mouse over here, this little icon, and you go down to Reward Center. So we're just gonna click here, and here you will see the rewards that for some reason they appear. It can be random or it can be because of a tournament. So for example, the Binance Futures Grand Tournament just ended and now they paid the rewards. And I won here 479 USDT because I broke my own record. And you can see here, I was not always paying attention. So the first one I got here, it got expired because I didn't see on time. Here I got some free Bitcoin for some reason and I redeemed on time. Also this 10 BUSD cash voucher, as well as this little cash voucher here. This one I didn't want to use it, so I let it expire. But now this is the big prize from the USD Futures Tournament, the Grand Tournament that I made a video about that. So please check that out. In the next 14 days, it will expire after that. So we're just gonna click here and we're gonna redeem this prize. Now the difference here is that this is a cashback voucher. So let's see how this works. Once redeemed, you will receive your USD Futures trading fee cashback from the previous day. Alright, whatever, I'm not gonna trade today, so I'm just gonna redeem it. And I successfully redeemed it, so now I understood how it works. So basically, I have 14 days to trade on USD futures, and then I will have up to this amount of trading fees that will be free for me. So I can spend up to 479 USDT in trading fees, and I won't have to pay until 14 days. So if you broke your own record on the Binance Futures Grand Tournament, this is the time to save on trading fees. If you still don't have a Binance account, you can sign up with the link below. It will give you 20% trading fee discount for life. Link will be in the pinned comment. And that's all you need to know about the Binance Reward Center.